Hey you guys, what's going on? So I'm back with another video, and this is going to be like a crafting unboxing slash crafting demo. So I purchased about 2 weeks ago on the 8th, I purchased a Cricut EasyPress. Did I really need it? No, I didn't, but I love the convenience of it being lightweight and mobile. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I purchased. I did purchase this from Cricut, so you can just go to Cricut.com. So I got two things. I got the Cricut EasyPress 2, and then I bought a Cricut mat. So I'll go ahead and show you the mat first. This is the Cricut EasyPress mat. I bought the 20 by 16. This is what it comes in, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is actually what the mat looks like. Again, it's a 16 by 20 or 20 by 16, however you want to say it. Okay, that's the front side, that's the back side. And of course it says on here, this side down. So you won't iron on this side, you want to iron on this side. So I got this because I'm going to need something to press it on, and they do not recommend using an ironing board for the projects with the EasyPress. So that's why I got that. And then I'm going to try to turn this over this way if I can. And try to. There's my Cricut maker. So this is the EasyPress. I probably won't be able. So this is what it looks like. I got the blue one. Okay, this is the EasyPress 2. The one that I got is the 12 by 10, and I opened it, but I didn't open it up completely all the way because I was like, oh, I'll do an unboxing. So this is the first stuff that comes in it. I love it because if you guys got, I don't know about the other Cricut machines, but if you did get let me get in the camera. If you did get a Cricut maker, you guys know that there's a little like a little sample project for you guys to test when you get your Cricut maker. And they have the same thing for the EasyPress, which I thought was pretty cool because when I seen this, I was like, what the heck? I said, they gave me a piece of vinyl, like what? And then as I open this, they say, you have a little project. So you do get a little pamphlet thing, and I'll show you what's in it. So you have your registration card. You need to register it on Cricut.com to register. And then it has this Cricut EasyPress 2 as a quick start guide. It gives you 7 basically directions on how to heat it up and basically to get it prepped. And then these are also just some safety instructions for it. And then here is this book. And it's just like a little book that shows you like different, it shows you different projects you can do. So you can press pillows. It just tells you more about the machine itself, about the temperature controls, and stuff like that. It tells you how to prepare and prep your projects. So yeah, it shows you can do t-shirts. You can press t-shirts with it. So yeah, it just gives you a lot of cute little ideas. And there's a onesie right there, a baby onesie. So it's just a lot of little cute things in this pamphlet. And then it shows you at the end the different EasyPresses that they have. They have 3 different EasyPresses, and then there's 3 mats also that are available to purchase. So yeah. And there's the Cricut maker. So yeah, so I'm glad I have like a set now. I have the maker and I have my EasyPress. So I thought it would be kind of cool to do the this project with you guys to show you how the EasyPress works. And then at a later time, I will, like I said, if you guys want, I will show you how the Cricut maker cuts fabric, because you guys know we're in a situation right now with the whole COVID-19 thing going on, and people are making face masks, and the Cricut maker cuts fabric, and I've actually used my Cricut maker to cut fabric and to make some masks. So if you guys would like to see that, then I'd be more than willing to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me take this out of the box and show you guys. Like I said, we're gonna do this project. The project is actually this Cricut bag right here. If you guys can see it, it's this Cricut bag. So it comes in a dust cover. Okay, so I'm gonna take the dust cover off of it. And then it also actually has this little tray that it sits in while it's warming up or while it's cooling down. It's got this tray, which is really nice. So, okay, so this is the bag that we're gonna put the Cricut logo on, okay? Okay, you guys, so I am back. I have everything unpackaged and ready to go. So, yeah, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna read the directions, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing as I do it, okay? So I'm just going to move my Cricut maker over here. And then I'm going to move you guys over here. And then I'm gonna point you down towards the Cricut maker, okay? So hopefully you guys can see this, okay? Can you see it? Can you see it? Let's put you up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so the first thing it says to do is set the time and temperature. It says plug in and power on your press. So this is the power button right here, okay? So hopefully you guys can see, but this is the power button right here. So we're gonna power it on. So as you can see, it automatically turned this on, all right? And then it says set the temperature to 290 degrees Fahrenheit. And then set the timer for 30 seconds. So for the temperature, you have to, they have little pictures here. They have a temperature thermometer, and then they have a timer. So for the temperature, you're gonna press for like 2 seconds. And then you're gonna go up here to, over here to the plus and minus, and you're gonna set it to the whatever, it's going to be 290 degrees Fahrenheit. So 290, okay, and then you're going to press that again to set it, and we're going to set it for 30 seconds, and it's actually already set for 30 seconds if you guys can see that. Okay, so we just now wait for it to heat up. It's at 130 right now. So yeah, so we set the timer and everything. When it's ready to go, it says we'll hear a beep. And then after we hear the beep, then we're gonna go ahead and prep the surface, which is our mat right here. Let me get my scissors out the way. This is the project that we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna prep this and everything to get it ready. Let me point you guys back up here. Hopefully I don't break nothing. So yeah, so yep, we're just waiting for a beep. So right now it's at 190. It says it doesn't take this. I believe this says it goes, let me get my little sheet out here. Let's see, does this one say anything? Sorry, you guys, I guess I should have got this out. Well, I did have it out, but I put it back. Okay, so let's learn a few things while it's heating up. Oh, it's already at 220. So I kind of already really just went through it. So it's got the power on and off button. It's got the set temperature button. It's got the set timer button. And it said what light means what. It says the orange light means it's heating up, which it is orange right now. I don't know. Let me see if you guys can see it, but this little orange button right here where my thumb is, it's orange. Ooh, and I can feel the heat, baby. I can feel the heat. And then the green light means the temperature has been reached. So we shall see here in just a minute. What up? Oh, it's green, y'all. Did y'all hear the little beep? Did y'all hear the beep? So I'm gonna see if y'all can see it. So the light is green over here. Okay, the light's green. As you can see, it's at 290. Let's get this party started, baby. Let's get this party started. So I'm gonna tilt y'all down. So, let me move my Cricut mat over here so y'all can see. So it says next thing we want to do is we want to prep the surface. It says make sure it's a firm, flat surface to avoid, you know, flimsy padding or ironing boards or anything like that. So we do have a sturdy surface. It's on my table and I've got my heating pad underneath it. And then it says we're going to preheat the base material, which is the bag right here that we're going to be pressing onto. It says preheat and press over your drawstring bag for 5 seconds and to remove any wrinkles or moisture. Okay, and it says never to this has a little handle thing which I like as well. It says never to skip that step as far as preheating. Okay, so we're just gonna, y'all see how wrinkly this is, right? So we're gonna heat it up. It says press for about 5 seconds. And I'm just gonna count in my head because we're not gonna do the timer yet. Okay, okay. So we just want to, you know, and I'm not pressing down hard or anything. It's just like with just a little bit of pressure. All right. Make sure your cord is not in the way because my cord was just underneath there. All right. So I think this is done. So yeah, looks good. Got some lint right there. So I'm gonna put this back on the base like that, and it just fits really nicely on the base, as you can see. This right here, it's not directly on the table, so it's not gonna hurt your table or anything. It goes nice. It fits really, really nice right there on the base. Okay. So the next thing it says is to position and press. So we're going to position the pre-cut vinyl with the shiny side facing up, which this is the shiny side. You guys see this is the shiny side. This is the dull side. Okay, so shiny side facing up, however we want to position it. If you want to do it side, you know, I thought about doing mine at an angle. Actually, I think I am. I'm going to do mine at an angle like that just to be different. So I'm going to put that there. And so it says place the shiny side up and then put the EasyPress on top and then start the timer. So, and then what else does it say? And then after that, it says flip the bag over and press the reverse side of the bag of the material for an additional 15 seconds. It says pressing both sides ensures the design sticks for the long haul. Okay, so we're gonna press it for the first 30 seconds. Then once it beeps, we're gonna turn the bag over and press it for an additional 15 seconds. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay, let's go. Lego. Okay, so going to put this over and we're going to press the timer. So it's counting down, y'all. Hey, it's counting down, y'all. Hey. So again, once it is done, we will take it off. Oh, I think I'm supposed to be putting pressure on it. Oh, I'm over here dancing. I need to be putting pressure on it. So I'm actually gonna hold this probably for another like 5 to 10 seconds, you guys, after it beeps. It's about to beep. Okay, so it beeped, but like I said, I'm gonna put it on there. I'm gonna press on here for an additional like 10 seconds because I was not applying pressure on it because I was over here being stupid, dancing. Okay. All right, so we did that for probably about 40 seconds. So then it says flip it, smack it, flip it, rub it down. Oh no. Anyway, so we flipped it, and now we're gonna press for an additional 15 seconds. And apply just a firm pressure on it. You don't have to, you don't have to put all your body weight on it at all. Or at least that's not what it says on here. It's just a firm pressure. Okay. So I'm gonna let it go all the way down to 30 seconds. Okay. So we did 30, 40, 50, 60. So anyway, we're gonna turn it over. Let's see if this is a cold peel, hot peel. So we flipped it, pressed it on both sides, and it says the big finish. While the iron film still feels warm to the top. Oh, it's hot. It ain't warm, it's hot. It's hot, boo-boo. It says, don't make that mistake. While the film still feels warm to the touch, test a corner. If the liner does not easily lift, then reapply heat for a few more seconds. So let's see if this lifts. And it's lifting very easily. So we're gonna go ahead and peel it off. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm peeling it. Hey, and voila. There you have yourself your own personalized Cricut bag. I like this glitter green. It's really pretty. And you can see it's nicely on there. It's not lifting. There's no spots where it's lifting. It looks really, 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 really good. So yeah, you guys. All right. So that was my first Cricut demo for you guys. Sorry, I'm looking all cray-cray right now. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have an EasyPress or Cricut Maker, let me know how you guys like it. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know if you guys want me to do this little giveaway, like a t-shirt giveaway. And like I said, give me some ideas of like what the shirt should say. Like I said, it can't be anything like crazy. Like it could be either like just one word like this, savage. If you guys want me to make your shirts, it says savage, or like I said, essential worker, or I can put like YouTube on it or something like that. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know, and we'll see what I can come up with, or what we can come up with. Okay, because I'm asking for you guys to comment. All right. Again, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in the next video. All right. But if you guys want me to do the giveaway, you need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit the notifications button. That way, when I do the next video, the giveaway video, you guys will know and you'll be notified when I make it. Okay? So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.